And honey, while you're crying, is everything okay? I gotta whisper that I can't to that. Well, my girl's in the next room. Sometimes I wish it was you. I guess we never really moved on. It's really good to hear your voice. Say my name, it sounds so sweet. Coming from the radio, hearing those voices makes me weak. And I never wanna say goodbye, but girl, you make it hard to be there.
Hindi nakapasok kayo, bumabaha, di ba? Saan kayo nakatira? Ah, malapit lang dito. Maulan naman kasi. Kapon pa kami dyan naka-check-in. Ah, hindi. Totoo yan. Tinignan yung mata ko. Ah, sige. Nakikita mo pala sa gabi. Kala ko hindi na nakikita.
Well, my girl's in the next room. Sometimes I wish it was you. I guess we never really moved on. It's really good to hear your voice. Say my name, it sounds so sweet. Don't come listening, hearing those notes it makes
Taga Manila ka talaga? Taga Manila ka? Ilang taon ka na? Wow! Talagang tuwang Maynila ka. Against ka kay Lim o hindi? Bakit? Ha? Okay naman yun, diba?
Masaya kayo malati-lati.
Kahit yung mismong ano.
So pa sa ambiente.
Yan lagi ng customer dito. Marami kayong customer dito. Puro Koreano. No. Tapos may nag-aaway ng Koreano sa labas eh. Nagsusuntukan.
Bakit ba? Bakit?
Sino? Anong pinanghahataw nun? Anong pinanghahataw? Di ba nag-ahatawan sila kagabi?